Before beginning, an overview of the key areas covered in this innovation presentation is provided. The presentation begins with the problem and its significance, followed by the proposed rider rest solution and its approach to addressing in the identified gap. This is followed by an exploration of the innovation novelty, innovativeness, and unique value, including its social, economic, and environmental impact. The next area covered is business and application potential, technology readiness level, and intellectual property status. The presentation concludes with the validation and supporting evidence, followed by the future vision of rider rest. Let us begin with the problem that inspired in this innovation.
Assalamualaikum and good day to the respected judge and everyone watching. Today we are happy to present our innovation, Rider Rest Smart Wellness and Safety Station for delivery riders. Rider Rest is a smart facility designed to support delivery riders during their working hours. It provides a comfortable place for riders to rest, charge their device, do basic motorcycle maintenance, and get safety or emergency support when needed. By putting all these services in one place, Rider Rest make it easier for rider to take care of themselves while working on the road. But why do we need a facility like this? Behind the convenience of last mile delivery, riders face many challenges. Long working hours can cause physical and mental tiredness. Riders also have to work under pressure, hot weather, rain, and changing conditions, which makes their job more difficult. Heavy traffic and spending long hours on the road also increase safety risks. At the same time, most existing facilities are not designed specifically for delivery riders. Services like rest area, charging station, and basic motorcycle maintenance are usually available in different places. This creates a clear gap in the current last mile delivery system. There is no one dedicated facility that provides all these essential services for rider in one place, and this is the gap that Rider Rest aims to solve.
To address this problem, we propose Rider Rest, an integrated smart wellness and safety ecosystem designed around the actual need of gig economy riders. Instead of providing only a conventional resting area, Rider Rest brings multiple essential services together in one dedicated hub. These include rest and recovery, device charging, a maintenance corner, emergency support, real-time information, and digital access. The station is further supported by QR authentication, IoT monitoring, cloud-based management, and solar power energy to creating a combination of physical infrastructure, digital technology, and sustainable energy. In simple terms, one integrated ecosystem is designed to address multiple rider needs. Now, let us explain how Rider Rest works in practice. So, how does it work? The process begins with one-time registration and rider verification. Once approved, the rider has one Rider Rest account that can be used across participating platforms. When the rider arrives, they simply can scan their personal QR code to check in. Once successfully checked in, rider can access all available facilities during their visit. The QR check-in is not intended to restrict individual services. Instead, it authenticates the rider, records station usage, and support better monitoring. After completing their break or required services, the rider checks out and continues the delivery. In simple terms, register, verify, check in, access facilities, check out, and continue delivery. Now, what makes Rider Rest innovative? Rider Rest is more than a conventional rest station. Existing facilities are generally designed for general public use, provide separate services and basic amenities, and have limited digital integration. Rider Rest, in contrast, is rider-centered and purpose-built. It integrates multiple services, smart multifunctional facilities, QR authentication, IoT, cloud-based management, real-time data, solar power energy, and one-time rider registration within one ecosystem. Therefore, our key innovation is not one individual technology, it is the integration of physical infrastructure, digital technology, and sustainability into a single rider-centered smart ecosystem. Multiple riders are brought together in one integrated system, but our innovation is not only about how it works, it is also about the impact it can create.
In unique and creative impact, this create impact beyond the individual rider. Socially, rider rest support better rider well-being, safer working condition, and safer urban mobility. Economically, better supported riders can potentially reduce downtime and improve delivery operation while creating an opportunity for industry collaboration. Environmentally, solar energy utilization and energy efficient infrastructure support more sustainable urban development. In short, riders create a value through one innovation, three dimensions of impact: society, economy, and environment. In business and application potential, beyond its social and environment value, riders also has a strong application potential. The proposed economy can involve logistics and delivery platform, local authorities, property developer, technology provider, renewable energy partners, riders, and local community. Our application pathway is pilot, evaluate, partner, and scale. We can begin with a pilot at a selected urban area, evaluate its performance and impact, collaboration with relevant stakeholders, and then scale the refined model to a wider location. This allows riders to move beyond one physical station and develop into a scalable support ecosystem for urban last-mile logistics.
In terms of technology readiness, RiderRest is currently positioned at Technology Readiness Level 4. This level is appropriate because the core concept has been developed and validated through system design, literature review, preliminary user validation, and prototype development. The project already includes an integrated system architecture and a conceptual prototype combining QR authentication, IoT monitoring, cloud-based management, solar energy, and rider-centered facility. However, we do not claim a higher TRL because real-world pilot implementation and operational testing have not yet been conducted. For intellectual property, RiderRest has not yet obtained formal IP registration at its current development stage. However, we have identified potential protection strategies including trademark protection for the RiderRest brand and logo, copyright for software and digital materials, industrial design consideration for the physical station, and potential patent protection subject to future novelty and inventiveness assessment. This approach allows us to protect and strengthen the innovation as it progresses towards implementation.
Finally, our concept has gone through a preliminary validations process, moving from problem identifications and user input to the prototype development, feedback, validations, and refinement. Our findings show strong user support for dedicated rest and charging facilities, positive feedback on the concept, facilities and monitoring, as well as improvement opportunities that were used to refine the designs, features, and operation process. This validation helped us strengthen the rider rest based on the user needs rather than assumptions. Our development journey can therefore be summarized as problem identifications to the user input, to the prototype development, to the feedback and validations, to the refinement, and lastly is rider rest. Validated by data, refinement by user, built for impact. Looking ahead, our vision is to move from one station to the multiple locations and eventually create a connected rider ecosystem that supports smarter, safer, and more sustainable urban logistics. Our long-term goal is not simply to build more stations. It is create a connected support system that contributes towards healthier riders, safer deliveries, smarter cities, and a sustainable future. Ultimately, Rider Rest is not just a place to rest. It is infrastructure designed to support the people who keep our cities moving. Rest, recharge, recover, ride safer. Thank you.